Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you could make your Trello board public. So let's get right into it. Once you're in your Trello board and logged into your account, of course, you want to arrive at this screen. This is what a board looks like. Now, right next to the name of the board, which you can change by clicking on it. You can also favorite it if you want, like so. You have this workspace visible, or whichever field or whatever it is called. And you want to click on that. And as you can see, it is the option to change the visibility. Here you have private, you have workspace, you have organization. I'm not in one, so it's grayed out. And you have public. To change it to public, just click here and click yes, make it public. And as you can see, the board has been set to public, and that is all you need to do. Additionally, you can also just create a new board, and here, while creating a board, you can set the visibility to public if you so choose, but pretty much that is all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.